Hello everyone, this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Welcome to visit my video collection, Melissa Talk About K-Box. So the last week and the last week, we have talked about the cupcake box and the bento box, and we got so many clients. They are very interested about this box, and we get a lot of inquiries. So then we have a customer ask me, Melissa, do you have an idea about the macaron box? So today we will have talking about the macaron cake box. As we know, the macaron is a very sweet and very famous dessert for all over the world. It comes from France, and also in China it is very popular because it's very beautiful, looks beautiful, and the taste is good. So here is the macaron box we have for our customer and what we already did. So the first step, this one is the most classic one, the white color. We have been selling this for more than like 10 years. This is the jaw design, very classic. You have this is for one roll, and this is for double roll. So for this one, we have selling the most the best, and we have many customers keep ordering of this. And then after the white color, we have developed different design. As we can see, we have design with the gold line, the window. You see? So this is a new design. Also this one, it turns to the black color. This the black color looks beautiful, right? Also have the gold line into the box, which is make the boxes is very classic. And also after that, we have design like the window. Also have the gold color inside it. It's not 100% with the clear PET window, as we can see. It can show the macarons, but it's not so show. It's when you open it in the gold color, we have the gold, white, black, and the red color. And for those one, it's very popular stuff from last year. We have a lot of customers requesting this. And also for the jaw design, we also have this one. This is the triangle design, as we can see here. You just have to put the macaron inside it, and then we have a very good place to place the macarons. Okay. So also we have some customers, they also need to customize the logo into the macaron boxes. So as we can see this one, I have to cover the logo. You can see this one is also the jaw design. They have two lines to display the macarons. Right? Yeah, put it here. And then it's the total clear PET window. And we can have the logo to customize the logo in it, which can make your brand more beautiful. And also this is all the jaw design, is the most popular design. And also we will have the very clear window on it for this one. Yeah, this you can open it and you can take it. Also it's the jaw design too from this here. And this one is totally 100% with the clear window on it. It's the PET window, which is very easy to put the macarons in and put in, and then you can see all the macaron products 100%. You can see it. So we have the 6 rolls, and this is 12, and this is 24. So we can have different size for the different macarons quantity. And okay, for this one too, you see, this is also a display for the macaron. You can have the macarons in your shops, have a display, or you have party, or you have a birthday, or you have a celebration. You can also have this dessert to bring the party too. So we also can accept our customer to have more inquiry about the customized macaron box design. Also we can have our design team to help you with this. So if our customer have more inquiries about the macaron box, we can also help to make your designs come true, or you just come with us with our normal design. That will be also a very good choice. So today this is our talk about the macaron box. I hope this video you have a more clear idea about what we've done and what the macaron box is. And if you have any inquiry or interest, you can contact me in the video or send email or add my WhatsApp. That will be also okay to do. So this is today's video. This is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. I hope next video you can also follow with me, okay? So thank you. Sunshine Packing Way, happy on the way.